Hi guys, today's ride is to Rinji waterfall. As you can see, my friend Pandey is here. तुम सोना चाहता है? He wants to sleep, but I made him come with me today. We started from Shillong at 10:30 in the morning. Now it's 11:30. We just crossed Soramkham. We'll stop at Thatlaskin and have food. Then from there another 1 hour to the ultimate destination, Rynji Falls. My last adventure was a flop because we could reach the river but could not reach the waterfalls. But this time we are taking a different route from Jowai. Last time we went from Mupun side and it was a flop show. But this we have reached this part of road. Another 15 minutes, the Google is asking us to go. Bike can go, but not double seat, single. Hopefully we'll find it. This is the terrain we have to go through. Every chance of my bike falling. You can see some people outside. We'll go and talk to them. I have to leave my bike up there. As you can see, the road is very bad. It's just like my previous adventure. But this time I don't have a local guide. Mr. Pandey is not a local guide. I can see the place. Perfect place to check. The Google says another 820 meters. We just asked these local ladies for the way. They said somewhere here nearby only. I don't know how far. We can see some villagers here, 1 or 2 houses. You can hear the wind blow or maybe the waterfall. I don't know, but we gotta walk. Google says walk another 7 kilometers. I'm gonna die. Anyway, have to walk, can't help it. Hi guys, today's ride is to Rinji waterfall. As you can see, my friend Pandey is here. तुम सोना चाहता है? He wants to sleep, but I made him come with me today. We started from Shillong at 10:30 in the morning. Now it's 11:30. We just crossed Soramkham. We'll stop at Thatlaskin and have food. Then from there another 1 hour to the ultimate destination, Rinji Falls. My last adventure was a flop because we could reach the river but could not reach the waterfalls. But this time we are taking a different route from Jowai. Last time we went from Mupun side and it was a flop show. But this we have reached this part of road. Another 15 minutes, the Google is asking us to go. Bike can go, but not double seat, single. Hopefully we'll find it. This is the terrain we have to go through. Every chance of my bike falling. You can see some people outside. We'll go and talk to them. I have to leave my bike up there. As you can see, the road is very bad. It's just like my previous adventure. But this time I don't have a local guide. Mr. Pandey is not a local guide. I can see the place. Perfect place to check. The Google says another 820 meters. We just asked these local ladies for the way. They said somewhere here nearby only. I don't know how far. We can see some villagers here, 1 or 2 houses. You can hear the wind blow or maybe the waterfall. I don't know, but we gotta walk. Google says walk another 7 kilometers. I'm gonna die. Anyway, have to walk. Can't help it. Walking. No way my bike is coming this way. Another 4 kilometers to walk. Me and Mr. Pandit. You wanna come here with a vehicle? You better carry a tank. No other vehicle will do here except a tank. Military. And this is the road you have to go up. Oh my god. Special appearance, the ant army. Little ant army going somewhere. Google says that we have arrived, but I don't think we have arrived. We have another 10-15 minutes of walk. And Google called this a road. You see, the cattle is walking here, and this cattle path is called road. No problem. If you wanna come here, come a little early, otherwise it takes a lot of time to walk down. We are walking for the last 1 hour through the jungle. The road is not there at all. There's tire mark of two tire marks of truck. Google says that we have reached the place, but we are still searching for it. I think that far is the place last time I came. That was from Mupun side, and I couldn't cross that river. So hopefully it's this side, the Rinji waterfalls, the elusive one. I can hear the river, but where is the Rinji waterfalls? We have come so far. No, we have to walk down, man. I can hear it, the waterfall. But but where is the point to enter? Hey, Data, I can see it. Come. Jaga mil gaya ho raha. That's the place where we have to enter, I believe. That looks like an opening. We just climbed down from that hill. Now we'll go here. Looks like we're about to reach the spot. I can hear it. खतरनाक लगता है जगह. 2 way to go, 1 here, other here. We'll try both. So let's go, Dada. The time is 3:28 now, and this is our time alert because these days, during the month of November, it gets dark very fast. By 5 p.m. it'll be dark and it'll be very cold here. So I don't want to be stuck in jungle at that time. Walking that also. This is just a part of Rinji. It's so inaccessible that reaching down here seems to be very difficult, but we are still trying to go. Rinji and the Rinji side waterfalls. I think that end is the top of Rinji waterfalls. We'll go there now. Well, this is the point of start of side Rinji waterfalls. There it's falling down. Let me go a little near and see from top. I don't know if I can take a click from down or not, but I'll get you this for you. The lovely side Rinji, the Rinji waterfalls. You have to come that way to reach, but we did not take that other route that you saw earlier. This is truly mesmerizing waterfall, but very inaccessible. Very difficult to reach. Mr. Pandey is searching for another way to go down, but I don't think he can do. It's too deep down from here. But it's really beautiful. If you have the energy to trek for 1.5 hours through the jungles and follow the Google map, GPS only, no road, no people, nothing, do come here. This is a really beautiful place. Finally I have reached this place. You don't know how happy I feel. Last time I came from the other side of the river and couldn't cross the river to reach here. We were stuck, so we had to go back. You can check out my other video and on Trek to Rinji. We just climbed the first hill and there are a lot more to do. At least 1 hour more of walk of up and down bad roads. My experience in this waterfall is that we have to walk a lot. If you're not ready for it, it's difficult. Unless you're healthy, you can't walk. Waterfall is really beautiful, it's really mesmerizing, but there need to be a road here. There's no road. I see some people with the JCB and all, maybe they are building a road, but it's gonna take a lot of time. So waterfall is very good for adventurists, those who like to trek, those who like to picnic, those who like to walk a lot. Not for those who want to sit inside a car and reach the destination. It's not for you, my dear. Let me tell you that in advance. If you like to ride a bike till the spot or drive a car to till the spot, this fall is not for you. This fall is only for those who love to adventure, trek. This waterfall. Next time we go down there. Stay tuned for the next video. Look what I found. It's a pitcher plant. Let's see what's inside. There are insects inside. It's a pitcher plant on the way. Hi. We started from waterfall at 3:40 and now it's 4:55 and we haven't reached our destination. We are still walking in the jungle. It's mesmerizing. Beautiful place. Finally we have reached after walking 1.5 hours. I feel so great to look at my bike. I can see the number plate signing. What an adventure we had today. Walking for nearly 1.5 hours both ways. There my bike is. The most amazing thing. Data. Oh. I see you finally. Yeah.